right, so I don't have this Ring doorbell wired, and I have to charge the battery on it. And to do that, you've got to come to the bottom of this and unhook those two screws that are right there. And when you buy this, they give you a special tool. I'm going to show you that right now, and we're going to go ahead and charge this battery up. All right, so you guys know this is the special tool. Take a look at the head. It's like a 6-star type of screwdriver. You can see it says Ring on it. You know what I mean, jelly beans? So let's go ahead and let's get this off. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come under here, just like this. I got to go lefty-loosey. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to loosen it enough so I can get my fingers on it, right? You don't want to lose these screws. So we want to get right up in there, just like that. And we're going to go counterclockwise, like that. You see that? And then I think you can, wait, nope. I thought maybe I could turn it with my fingers, but not. That's not happening. So we just got to keep on going until we get it low enough that we can, yeah, there we go. So now I can turn it with my finger and pull it out. And so this is what it looks like. You can see it. I'm gonna just set it right down here. You don't want to lose them. You follow me? So we'll get this one far enough. I can grab it with my fingers and twist it. Boom, got it. So now we've got our two screws. Let's set that there for right now. Make sure you don't step on them. All right, so to get this off, all I've got to do is reach under, put my finger here. I'm going to pop it up, and I just lift it. And you can see right here, there's like a little lip. And then if you look at the top of this, you're going to see that's where it goes right there. See that little lip right there? That sets right on here. And then these two smush in the bottom here in these little holes. All this stuff you're not supposed to see. Now we just got to go and plug it in and charge it. All right, so we don't lose these screws. I'm just going to kind of set them back in there, just like this, while we're charging it. That way you don't lose them. You follow me? I mean, that's the last thing you want to do is lose your screws. So I'm just going to go like this. I'm just going to go righty-tighty. And I don't have to get them all the way in. I just got to get them started. You follow me? That way they don't come out. Yeah, that's it. So that's what you want to do. Now you're not going to lose it. Don't lose this tool too, because you need it. All right, so let's one more chance to take a look at this. And it kind of shows you right here. There's a little direction on it. There's some direction on it. But that's it, right there. And now we just got to charge the battery. All right, so to charge this, you're going to need one of these conventional inputs on a USB, and you're going to need a charging block. If you look here, you're going to see that's the old style right there. Yeah, like that. All right, so I got that in there, right? Now I just got to plug it into the socket. All right, so I'm just going to use my charger. It's got my initial on it so nobody steals it. And I'm just using my charger for my iPhone. So now I just got to plug this in. So let's go ahead and plug her in. And we should see something going on here. It's not giving me any indication of being charged, is it? So we'll leave it right there overnight. Oh, look. Anything? Yeah, there we go. All right, so it's definitely charging. And so we're just gonna let it go for, I don't know, 24 hours, and then we'll put it back in. Do not lose your tool. I'm gonna set the tool right next to it. We got our two screws there. I'm gonna set the tool right next to it. We got our two screws in the bottom, so we're good. And we just gotta charge it up, and we'll be fine. And as you can see, it's slowly charging. You can see this upper part is fully lit, but we've got to get the whole circle. So we're going to have to wait a little bit longer until it's fully charged. It's a couple hours later. We're getting close. It's probably going to take, I would say, 12 hours to get a full charge on it. Ladies and gentlemen, I left it completely overnight, and it's blinking, and it's saying to me, we're ready to be put back on. All right, so let's go ahead and just get her off of here. All right, so now we just got to go out there and put it on, put this back where it belongs. So I put the screws back in there, so I got to back them out. All right, so we got to get our screws out of there. I'm just going to back them out. There's one. Get the other one out. Two. All right, that's that. And now what we got to do is we got to put her back up on the thing, right? All right, so I've got to match the top here on here. So I'm just going to set it like that. And then I'm just going to push it back. And now it's connected. It's ready to go. Let me show you again. So I just set it on there like this. And then I just smush it right onto those two little thingamabobs there. Because on the bottom of here, you see there's those two holes. So it goes right on like that. And then we just push it, bam. And now all we gotta do is screw the screws back in. And I got them right here. And I think I can just start them with my fingers. Yeah. Like that. Once I get them started, I'm good. Grab my other screw, stick it right up in there. And I just get it going with my finger. I'm going righty-tighty. Once I've got that done, then I can go ahead and get this on it. And then just tighten it down. There's one. And there's two. All right, now we're done. Now we got our security screws on and we're ready to go. Bam, done. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff like this. Peace out.